Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of basement renovation. Are you ready to transform your underutilized space into a functional and stylish room? Stick with us as we guide you through the complete renovation process. First things first, let's assess the potential of your basement. Is it a dark, damp space? Don't worry, we've got you covered. The key here is proper groundwork. Start by removing any existing clutter and ensuring proper insulation. This will guarantee a cozy environment all year round. Don't forget about waterproofing, too. Adding a vapor barrier will keep any moisture at bay, preventing damage to your new space. Now, let's talk about design. It's crucial to plan the layout carefully. Consider the main purpose of your basement. Will it be a home office? A gym? Perhaps a cozy entertainment area? Next, we move on to flooring options. From sleek tiles to plush carpets, the choice is yours. Just remember, choose materials that are durable, easy to clean, and fit your overall design concept. Now, let's brighten things up. Basements tend to lack natural light, so proper lighting is essential. Recessed lights, pendant fixtures, and wall sconces are great options to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget about storage. Maximizing your basement's potential means having ample storage options. Cabinets, shelves, and built-ins will keep your space organized and clutter-free. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Furniture, wall art, drapes, and rugs will bring your new basement to life. Play around with colors and textures to match your personal style. And there you have it. Your basement renovation is complete. We hope this guide has inspired you to transform your underutilized space into a remarkable room that suits your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement tips and tricks.